Hi everyone, this is O. I gonna teaching you how to use the pen simulation, create a 3 model for the one creation line. That creation line, I think I will use this example for presenting, for teaching you about here is the every block, right? These are read together, right? Right, this one is the connector by one. This style of box, right? This is the diagram. There are two sort, right? Two sort. This sort object, right? Represented by the red color. This is a red color. It is the sort object, and the block, back block, right? Is the frame color, right? The back color. The back color is the represented by station, right? It's station. It's the station. They cut two sides and two milling machine, right? And one is the pen shop. The pen shop is right, the station for painting the object, right? And the product, and QC station. And this one, in this diagram, there the drain is the output, right? For getting the output from QC and get the packaging, and DE the result product. Yeah, represented by the green color. It is a green color, and the last one, this one is a blue color block. The blue color block represented by SMB. The station, SMB station, and drain of this I have taught you before on of the object, right? And now this video uh, I gonna take that knowledge, right? Combine together for creating and modeling is the 3 model, right? The production line like this, right? How to use the pencil, right? How to use pencil? You try to practice, try to create and build up your skill in the pen simulation. Okay, come back to the program. Let me create a new model frame. You click right button and new and model frame, in the model frame here. Okay, the model frame, and define the name. And click right button, rename, and use the name homework. 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 Homework is the table. Table. For leg. Right? For leg. Homework. Click OK. Table for leg. Homework. Right now you have learned about how to use the 3D model related on the production line. An important object you need to press on the workspace, that is sort. Sort, and this sort, sort one sort, and the station. Look at the station. This station, station control, right? Click control and drag far away from the original. Okay, two, and that is on here, and 1 milling, 2 milling, right? And milling number 1, milling number 2, and cut to side, and painting, is painting. It's painting shop, right? Painting shop, and QC, right? Over here QC, QC. Okay, let me refer to the PDF file here. One sort, right? The red box, and the cut to side is the back box, right? And it represented by the station, and this station, and here is the building, right? And this one is the paint shop, right? The QC and the assembly, right? Assembly and one assembly, and this one sort, another sort, and this one is the sorry, not clear. The letter package, right? Packing is packing, using the 60-second processing time, and shipping is the green box. Green box represented by drain, right? Okay, represented by drain, and this. Okay, let me rearrange the location a little bit. Okay, this one paint shop, this QC and control. This one, this one. Oh, okay. Let me use this package and one assembly. Assembly station. This assembly station and another sort. This another sort and drain, right? Okay. And drain. This one is drain. It's drain. Okay, under the QC station. This is the QC station. It's a drain. Then object, right? This check is the drain object for getting the output product, and okay, I define this one. Okay, receive that. That is the reject, reject object, reject product. N NG, right? The NG, no goods, something like that. And another for keep the output, keep the product, keep the output, write the FG product. Okay, the product. Right now you got the box related on the diagram. The diagram, the assembly wood table, right? Top, and four legs, right? Okay, you done about this. And next step, you need to define the name. I suggest you follow up the step number one, right? Me, and you're going to define the name for the first sort. Double click on here, or click here and rename, right? And rename, I need to set the name is sort top, right? Sort is top table, right? Top table. Okay, and click OK and done. And the default define the name, and that's in second. This one, like the cut to side, or this one, rename the sort rate, supply the table leg to this assembly station for assembling with the top page, right? Top page of the table. Assemble together over here. This station for assembling together. This one I call that assembly station, right? Okay, this is the saw leg and this is the saw top. Next define should be this one rename cut cut side, right? Cut to side. And you can use the underscore for write the space, space the word by word, or another way you can use about the capital letter in the front of this, right in front of O T big size, right? Uppercase, right? Uppercase 2, something like this. Okay, instead of the space, cut two side. And this one rename. We define the name milling machine. Okay? Milling one, right? Milling one. This one milling two. You need to define the name. This is step number one, because to protect you confusing later when you need to create a 3 model more complicated, and a lot of the station, right, and the same shape, the same block, it make you confused about that. If you didn't define the name, right, and it will make you confused when you rearrange the position of the tape of the model over here. This model, okay, just in the little, it's smaller, and okay, it just you try to predict this one, oh, should be here, and this one connect to first one, and the third connect to second one, something like this. Okay, make you confused later. That means why I suggest you need to rename the object, right? Right, uh, right related to the example, the homework, right? Diagram, okay, relate together, and they're easy to understand, easy to remember, and okay, protect your confuse, etc. And this one rename. This one is pen shop. Pen shop. Click OK. QC. QC session. NG. No goods. Product is brand. Rejection station, and okay, I take the then object, receive the waste object, like defect object, from the QC station. But then this one assembly. Oh, still use assembly station. Okay, it makes sense already. And this one packing. Okay, this one finished good. Finished good. FD. This step, the first step, okay, already done. Actually, you can use F2. Press F2 for rename, right? Because I click on here, the right button, and the rename. And another way, you can use the shortcut keyboard. Shortcut F2. F2, okay, quicker or faster than use the click on over here, and click over here and press F2 for rename, right? Define the name. It's already done. I bring you to going to show the structure. If you need to check, double check is a model. There are how many the station object press to the workspace, and enough for the 3 model referring and the diagram, the product diagram, and the diagram in this file is completed, done and enough, and completed the session or not, right? We can check it out by show structure, right? If the show structure is the list, the list is show in the workspace how many session you press on the workspace. You can double check again, delete on the example or not, right? The diagram is a diagram. Double check or not here. This one, the SB session, right? Click on here and show, and show up on session. Okay, delete on the table, delete on the diagram already, right? You can double check again. And this one, cut to side, where cut to side, press on over here and over here. And this one, okay, event controller, define the time simulation. And this one, the drain, right? One of two for finish good, and the other for no good, right? And this one, the station is milling, and depending on define. This is the list, the list, the object based on the workspace, workspace. You should be checking about the milling, where is the milling station it connect from, right? You analyze and referring about this, okay. uh, where is the paint shop connect to, right? Connect to this QC is correct or not, right? You double check again and click on the QC station, right? Did the name, right? Okay, this name QC the same, right? This is the benefit of setting up about name, right? Delete together and delete on the diagram, right? Really the benefit for that. Cross, right? You check the protect you confusing about the ordering of the model and the session to session, and the name is the matching of the diagram or not. You will check on that option, that function. And another I will show you, I will teach you again in this function, show graphic structure, right? When you need to create the pan, the pan of the factory, and of the wall and the level and everything, the background and the graphic visualization, uh, visualization. Use this to show graphic structure, create a graphic, right? The emerate the pan in the factory, right? This is the time to create the connector, right? You click on the connector and click control key in the keyboard, right? You focus on here, and it okay, separate to line, right? And going to here pen shop, right? And go here to the QC and going to this is the main line, right? The main line to the SMB. This is the MU main part, right? MU main part, right? And this second, right? Second, okay. Connect the main first, right? Define the main. Okay, this is the first line for SMB, and this is the second. I define that is subpart, right? And this is the output, right? From this session, and here and out, right? Out to the session is the packing, right? So this one is drain. Drain is the output. It is finished good. And you can display 3D, right? And I have ever taught you about another view, right? Panning, the panning view, right? In like the 2D, right? If you need to display right here in the pane to like the 2D, maybe someone uh, like write this to 2D for adjust, right? For adjust like this. Okay, this one, adjust this one, move, right? And this one move, or something like that. You can adjust, but this view you cannot rotate view, right? The 3D anymore, right? Because they focus on 2D. And if you need to unlock about here, about the panning view, you click again, right? Turn back to the normal, right? The normal. And this one, I suggest you need to keep the main line. Now this is the main line going to the assembly, and subline, right? The subpart, right? I have ever taught you before, right? This is the main line is very important. Right now I keep the main line and carry on about the top page of the table. Go right here, and the top part, right? The four legs, right? Four legs sent to the assembly station, and for assemble to the top page of the table here, and go out of this here package, right? And package is sent to the finished good. You can adjust the line. Okay, the line is not polarized, right? And you can click on here, become to yellow, and drag down here and adjust to here. Okay, co-align, right? The straight line and co-align another in the same line. Go along is a horizontal right here. I say very good. You can use the keyboard for relocation of the station. If you click on the right, the arrow in the keyboard, to left, right? To left, you adjust here. If you need to more space to shifting, okay, you press Control and Shift. Control and Shift. Sorry, Control and Shift is the right, the rotate, right? Shift, shift move left, move right. Shift, right? Shift, click on the button Shift in the keyboard, and in the same time you click on arrow. Arrow is go up, go down. It's a more descent, right? More space moving. And if you click on the only button, up down, okay, little bit move to left, to right, up to down, right? And if you and go up more distance, okay, you click on Shift and click up, click down, right? Okay, this is how to move by use the keyboard, right? And another, you can use rotate, right? You click Control and Shift, rotate, right? Okay, let me use this one first. Control Shift, right? And marker, you need to marker, use the mouse, your mouse, you click on here or marker and active this one, and click on Control and Shift, right? Click left and click left, keep, okay, there are 45 degree, right? Go left, go right, right? Here, and move, you try and move here, and go up, go down, Control Shift, right? Just I told you before, click Control Shift and click left, click right for rotating, right? And this one I will try to use the Control Shift, go up, go down, right? Okay, go up, go down mean, okay, to the higher and lower something, use control shift and go up, go down. Okay, this thing for rearrange the location. The right then the same, you need to control rotating. Rotating, yeah. uh, the same, the rotation. You try to move by mouse, and the program try to snap that object for you. Snap is one small space, right? Small space and 1 meter, and it's a clap to snap time by time. When you click mouse and move to right, and okay, the program snap for you. It snap the location for you right here. And is the default. It's a 1 meter space for default movement, 1 meter, and you can set it up a little bit the space for yourself. You can set up, and right now in the default the 1 meter, it's a 1 meter, right? And you can move this 1 meter. If you need to more space per one click, right? One move, right? One move is a 10, right? Right now it's 10. I move here, 10. Apply. Right? When bigger, it 10, right? Okay, wait, 10 right here, 10, right? It's the larger and more distant, right? And the default is a 1 meter, and it's a 10 meter, right? Okay, you can see here, and black color is a black color right here, and okay, it's the right. Okay, ready here, black color. Another color, right? The gray color. Gray color is 1 meter. 1 meter. If you need to come back to default, right? So here and apply again, and move 1 meter. Okay, this is the idea for setting about space when you movement the snapping the location for you automatic, right? In the default set up the 1 meter. Okay, click apply. 1 meter is enough for me. Okay, right now our model ready to check it out by simulation. Okay, play further. Let's see here the part, right? Actually, in the main part should be the container, so I will drop the container over here. Okay, to the sort, right? The sort top should be have the container inside, right? The container inside, right? Okay, let me check it out again. Okay, the container and this station, assemble the part, zero the part, and right now not yet completed. Complete attached together with the part, right? Either sub part, either main part should be assembling together, and the part attached with the container go along downside, right? And go along is the downline here, and go output the product. And right now never have the part attached with the container. That means I will set it up. little bit more. Double click on the assembly. X axis, right? Axis should have click again. Oh, over here, attribute. Should be set up predecessor. If you remember, I told you before in the previous video how you use the assembly, right? How to set up subpart, how many subpart feed to the assembly to the assembly station, right? Okay, I will set up predecessor, right? And this one, the main part, it come in the line number one, like the main line, the main line, the sub line should be feeding on the predecessor. We define the predecessor from here. Open, you click on the open button. The button on, we define the predecessor number 2 and number of the 4. We call the 4 legs, right? 4 legs. Apply 4 legs, apply, and OK. So already done about setting some parameter for assembling together uh, the main part and the sub part, right? Apply, click OK. Okay, what's wrong? What happened? I will check again. Attach, right? Attach together. Okay, I forgot the attach option. Important option. If you click delete, right, and the subpart is gone, never show on the container, and you must set up attach. Click apply and back. 4. Okay, slower. 4, right? And right now it's not completed in the 3D model. It's not right. The 4x attached with the top table, right, and the top head table, right, not yet completed the 3D. I will teach you later. And right now it's completed about the block, a number of the station, and what kind of the station should be setting on the production line on the process, release on the example and the diagram, right? And okay, not yet completed about the parameter. One, uh, one is the processing time, right? And animation of the graphic, the 3D model, and the capacity, not completed the parameter. Let me return back to the start point again. And also the percentage of FG and MG, finished good and no goods. Then just completed speed of the number of the finished good, the number of the no goods, right? Okay, later I will show you how to set up that station and the drain, right? And did the finish good, did the no goods, right? Okay, before that I need you understand about set up the name show up on the screen and show up on your workspace. Right now it disappear, right? Actually you set up already about the name. Use the rename function, rename the command, set up the name on of the station already, and right now it's not yet completed, show up on your workspace, right? How do you solve that problem and set up the caption show up on your screen? Okay, let me reset and close it. Close it. You double click on this station and click the 3D 3D again because this one you gonna set up about the dates on around of the graphic, right? Graphic show up and disappear, and okay, scroll and turn off this display something, and adjust the size of the 3D model, and you can enter the 3D, right? Into the 3D. This way number one, you can approach to the dialog box of the 3D setting. Okay, in another way, you can use this. Click right button, use this way, and click on edit 3D property. Okay, 3D property, and okay, approach to the dialog box of the 3D model, caption, right? It's caption. The caption, if you click on here and it show up on your screen already, and click on here, right? Click on your screen already, and right now, okay, and this example, okay, it's smaller pen, right? It's a smaller process. You can click one by one for set up about the caption and show up the caption in this last tab, right? You can click one by one. And but if sometimes your process line okay, a lot of the station in your workspace, if you use this way, okay, you very I think very tedious, and the hard hard work to set up one by one if a lot of the station in some case. And right now I suggest you, right, I suggest you, if you need to set up the main point, the main station is the original, because on of this I copy from here, from the main station, right? This is the original, right? Original. Okay, you can set at the main station and the client. Okay, if the parent, I call it a parent, right? Because it's original object. In the parent is adjusted. If the parent adjusted and the client, okay, follow up the same parameter of the parent, right? Okay, that the idea is good idea. You check it up. The parent, what is the parent of the client or at all? If you found about, okay, this is the master, is the parent, or you set up the parent, one parent, the some parameter you need to set up at the parent, and the client at all should be changed, you change at all same. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, kick it off first, apply first. You can click on here, click here, right? Going to here, this is the open original, right? And shade up, right? And right now you have known already because I told you, right? I told you already right now, right? That means you have known about, okay, this is the original, right? And assume if you didn't know about, okay, what object uh, is it, is it for the main, right? For the main or the parents. You can click on here and show up on here, and the station, it is the original, stay in the directory, right? They're the same, like the location is a material 4 dot station, right? Material 4 dot station. This is the location of the original object, or parent, right? Parent. Okay, you have known about here material, in the station under the material 4. Okay, I cancel. This is the material 4, right? This is the material 4, right? Going to the station. This over here, this is the original. All this material 4 under the material 4 is the station. This is the object of the object origin, right? Okay, click on here and double click on here and going to the caption. Oh, sorry, click the 3D and caption and click on of this. Okay, on of this, apply, click OK, click OK. Why first one? Okay, it disappear of the caption name. Why? Or you click on, double click in this one, right? In the first one, it disappear of the caption. Why not? Right? Why not? You need to find out the reason. Find out the cost, right? You double click on here and go to the 3D, right? Click on the caption, and right now it's a caption is the caption in the parameter name. Okay, I tick off and not yet tick. Okay, turn off of the special function, the special option. You need to tick it off right here and turn back to original, right? Okay, you need to follow up by the original setting, right? If you turn it off and you going to around this function, delete on the original, right? Okay, that means why in the first time I set up and around the object L should be display, right? Display the caption, and the first one not yet display because did the tick on first. This one is modified delete on by own, and if you need to follow up and the original, you need to set it off right here, right here. Okay, I'll click OK. Need some trick, right? Some trick for caption. And another way, if you click on here and you need to look at the station, look at the parent, and where is the client, right? Where is the client generated from the main, right? Is you need to find out the name is where is the client object stay on your work, right? Your work you can show up by click on show in inheritance, and right now is the buffer, right? The buffer is the station, right? Is the station buffer dot station and the station for it, and okay, because the buffer is deleted on this model on the model. Okay, this one the client. Click cost. You notice some session never have the caption, and you must going to set up by manual. Click on the property because just there are two drain, right? And to sort, to sort. You can use the manual, right? In some case, the manual apply, right? And here, okay, use the manual. It's it's not hard, right? Because it's just a and less model compared with the another is more, right? Okay, use the focus on the original, and this one okay by manual, use it caption, okay, click OK. And this one edit 3D and click caption and name, click OK. This one, and then it's the FG. Look at the name, it not turn right. The 3D turn and the name is not turn, right? How to set it up? Turn is correct location. you just add the caption in the over here in the caption, right? Okay, try to use 90 degree and rotate off the caption. And this one X, right? It's Y. It's Y1. Okay, it's Y1. Good, that's right. Okay. This one, going to 3D caption, and the location it's got 90 degree, and this one the same one. Okay, apply, click OK, click OK. You saw what difference the layout box between 2D and 3D was. You look at my proposal. What is different was between 2D and 3D, right? Okay, you see my the box here. Because 2D never have the 2D never have the 3D button, and you click inside of the 3D, you can adjust the size of the 3D, and you show up the caption because the 2D already show up automatically in the caption, right? And the 3D you must set it up at the last tab right here, right here. And the transformation and graphic and animation, everything, and it's for special 3D model, right? Okay, this is the different. You saw everything, and you done about this setting 3D model, right? 3D edit property, right? Something like that. It's about time to set up. The cycle time, right? In the processing time, and okay, I need you see the example again. You see here, and 60 all of the session is 60, right? And SMB also 60 second, and just there are two station else. Is there uh, 120 second, right? For two is a milling machine. Okay, this one is the percentage of reject object, right? Rejected object is 2%, and the 98% go along with the finished good. Right, going to this line here. Okay, this is a percentage of the QC station. You need to set it up and tab, right? Set it up. It's some tab, right? In the thumb tab in the station QC, the pen shop is 60. Okay, on of the 60 second buzzing time. Okay, go back to the project. This is the model. You double click on here, set up 60 second. Right? And this one 120 second, and this one 120 second. Apply, and this one, right? 60. Okay, and this one 60. Okay, and the same time 60. This one, last one of the session, that name is package 60. And this one exit percentage, right? Percentage apply one time Felix. It's a successor 190, successor 198, successor number 2, 2%. Okay, you choose you should tick on this option blocking. Blocking you gonna find is your special parameter for this session. Follow up the condition. Condition is the percentage is goal is FG 98, right? And reject part is just only 2%. And follow up this consent, then this condition enforced it for the session follow up is rule. If you take it off, right, and you're going to set up about here, follow up the default. The default if the some session is at font of the session. This station I forgot on here, and the font of the station, right, the next station, and going to generate the traffic is jam, right? Maybe the bottleneck on here, and this station cannot feed the object through its assembly because the assembly station and generate the traffic jam something, right? Maybe okay, a lot of the part assembly is not yet completed, and this station it cannot flow object to here, and right object is this station is the default. The follow up, okay, and the way can be flow, way it can be for the station supply to. It is the default, right? That means why I set up the blocking special option right here. Okay, let me set up blocking. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, let me create. Okay, double click on the event controller. Event controller. Okay, faster. Attach, right? And you notice about the model is not it's not the same as the real one, right? And at least should be okay, lastly model, okay, right? The top page and the leg, right? Okay, right? The cylinder, okay, that it should be right. It should, the model should be there, should be lovely model. Okay, I accept that because just use the simulation. Okay, focus on the process time, focus on improving the process, right? And the model, okay, it makes sense, okay, enough for that, right? Makes sense and listenable about the part, right? Okay, how to set up the model, okay, at least okay, it's similar to the real one, at least. Okay, let me back. Okay, let me back. How you set up the model? I bring you to here, and the left zone of library, the class library. You focus on the container, and right now you're going to change the model shape, right? Change the container shape and the part shape. Okay, you need to change, right? So you cannot change the original. If you change original and some example else you need to use the container right now been have been changed already, and okay you need some example need to original, okay, and it's gone already. That means why I suggest you follow me about duplicate. Duplicate this one, okay, this one. Duplicate this one to the object. User object is special for user. Right? This is a change it. I change the container shape, and this is my objective. Right? I will change the container. I do need to duplicate first. You cannot adjust the shape, right, in the original container. And also okay, I need to change the name first. The container right now change right the top page, right? Okay, click OK. Top page, and this one should be legs. Rename leg part. This one, and double click on the container. Okay, right now you're going to change, right? You're gonna change its model and change the size of the model, the container, right? Container. Oh, sorry, I miss selection. Okay, I keep this. I focus on user object, right? Oh, sorry, I miss. Uh, okay, turn back part, right? Part, copy the part, original part, duplicate top and part, right? You can change the rename process. I change to legs. Okay, and top page, right? Okay, this one is special for user. I should click it on the top page. Okay, it's top page. The name is okay. You check it up about the name, right? Okay, the name, right? You need to modify some shape and link of the top page table. One made ready the unit in the program, set it up right the default units. I use meter. Okay, the width and length, okay, I think makes sense, right? Dependable. And this one height is the main 0.1 mean 0.1 mean 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. I need to set up, okay, allow off the point, the, the decimal place I reduce to 1 decimal point, 0.1 enough for me. Okay, write the 10 centimeter thickness, write the thickness. Apply. And double click on leg. The legs of the table, MU side, length and height. And height I think is 0.8, 80 centimeter height. And this one 0.1, 0.1 enough for me. Okay, 10 centimeter by the diameter. Apply and okay. Don't forget desktop, the new one, the new model. The new model right now I need to use the top page and already done a modify already. Let's go into here. Okay. It's not completed because it's a forex. Forex is not the same as the real one. Real one of forex should be two row, two column. Okay, I need to turn it back again and double click on the container, the top page, attribute, and the size. This is the capacity. Two, 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 and the height is one layer, one level enough. I apply again. Okay. Play. Correct. I double click on here. And you look at the process. The simulation is done. My thought, the top page is the tick of the top page is too much. Let me reduce the thickness. Okay, 2 centimeter enough. 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter enough for for modifying similar to the real one. You didn't know, right? You didn't know how many part of NG, how many part of FG. Okay, we need to use user interface display the result. Desktop on display. Next step, let me check it up about the process. The process in this position line. I will set up by use the game controller and set up the time. Uh, 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 times 60. Right. It's 1 hour. 1 hour, and this is the processing time 60 seconds. On of this 60 seconds at all, right? Except this 120, but and the 120 share together help. Help is this, right? Share together become to 60, right? Okay, and all 60 seconds. 60 seconds, and the result should the result should have 60 products. Okay, let me use this. Set up and control. Apply already. Apply and control and play. Okay, it's count. 1 hour. It's right. This is 1 hour. 1 hour and finish good. 52, 52 in work in process, right? And the product else stay on the machine, stay on the station. Okay, I call that it VIP work in process, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 99, 50, 59, right? And 52 plus 9 become 7 plus 7, right? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, right? And 59, 59 plus 1 of the NG, we come to 60. Okay, it's correct. It's correct. It makes sense. Right? It makes sense. This production line very easy. Very easy. It can be used for calculating about the takt time. What time being used for producing the one product, right? The one product. What time is it? What time is it being used about for being used about producing the product per one product, right? I call that it's tech time, right? And it's really easy. I mean easy is uh, every station at all 60 seconds, right? 60 seconds is your processing time all of this 60 seconds. That means when you produce 60 seconds, the produce is one product, right? Go as output, right? And 60 seconds another product, right? That means the takt time can be calculated very easy, right? Because every station is the same, it's constant 60 seconds, right? That means product time is 60. This way can be can be analyzed. Okay, in the flow we created already is correct or incorrect, right? uh, After this you can you can take another object to your project, right? For display graphic in the chart something, right? And histogram everything in the user interface object, right? In user interface tab, right? Including about display chart and display number, comment, right? And something, right? Okay, mostly use the chart and display. Another thing you should know in this video, uh, I will explain you a little bit. You see here, and this is a package machine, and this one assembly. Okay, easy to plug the leg in the table right here. Okay, right the upside, right? Okay, right the upside up, right? Need the upside up. You need to upside down. In the next station is packaging machine, right? Should be. I think that should be okay. Go upside down to the machine. It should be like that. How to adjust the 3D model, right? Okay, you go into here, double click. uh, this is the station, right? In the station package, the station package station needed on the time used for this dialog box. Okay, set up control, set up the failure time, processing time, and blah blah blah. A lot, right? And the percentage is exists. Everything about is the performance of the machine, right? Set up here, and it's only about 3D model. You choose use this button, edit property, right? 3D edit 3D property. Right? The property is right here. Right here is the MU animation. This is related on just only the 3D graphic, right? 3D visualization. It not depend on the time, not depend on the time right here. This is just a graphic, right? You need to emulate the 3D, right? Right, or similar to the real one. Hmm? Okay. I will suggest you how to use it. This one I show up about. This is a table show up on the packing machine. Show up on packing machine right here. And the location and this station around the 3D stay on the packing machine. Stay on the packing machine over here. This is the machine around the 3D set up on here. You can change this. You click on the red arrow. You use a keyboard. Right? Okay, you set up the new location. Here. Go something and control shift, right? Rotate, go up, right? Control shift, go up, go down, and control shift right here. Then, but not enough for me right now because I need to upside down, right? I need to rotate around of the x-axis, right, over here. That means you need to special set up, right? They set up in this table, in this location. Around me, use this edit, right? Edit, right? Okay, right here, the angle, rotation, right? Angle. I need to double click on here. Double click on this line. I need to modify something. Angle, rotate around of x-axis, right? And this one, and the default around, rotate around of z-axis, right? The vertical axis, right? And right now I need to change the direction, rotation, right? Direction of rotation, I need rotate around of x. I must use 1. I click on the axis x, right? And this one 180 degree, right? uh, and this okay, flip down the red, the forehead is the is to put in, right? It's go down to go through the table of the packing machine, right? Let me go up about 100 1 meter. Okay, test apply, and right here, not enough. Okay, I pull up the table, go up, right? And that means let me edit again to 0.8, right here. And okay, this one 0, right? Because I think it shifted to minus x, right? It shifted to minus x. Let me come back to the center. Click OK, apply. Like this. Click OK if you prefer. This location, this orientation is enough for you already. You click OK. Leave this dialog box. Click OK. You set up 3D, the model, stay on the package, stay on the packing machine. Already this is the location you prefer. You click OK. Turn it back to original. Turn back to initial value, start point, and play again. Right here. Let me use this one, and okay, slow down and play. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I forgot. I script some part of the process, right? Okay, that process I told you about. I need to use the chart, right? Come here. I need the chart come here. Uh, okay, I will use the chart and display depend on you. You're going to set up the type of the chart, right? Okay, you have ever do this before, do this before display, right? The chart and some type of display on the screen, right? And you can display in frame, right? Okay, you have ever done this before. Click OK, and this one you uh, you drag drop on here. Click OK. Drag drop on this, right? And show up on caption. From our caption, you set it up before, and it show up on this chart. Easy to look at and inspect of the performance in the process. What the machine, okay, produce is not good, right? And got the work in process a lot, and the okay the failure of the machine. What happened in that machine when that machine is failure and need to set up time and need to the time of repair something like that, and you easy to inspect that machine one by one because it is on the caption you set up before. Okay, this one and this you desktop milling machine first one, the second one, and this paint shop and QC, right, and assembly and packing, right. And okay, let's be running. You can adjust it chart, right? Rotate is up 90 degrees and go along is the vertical line, then vertical right, attached with the wall. You can use that, right? And the previous video I thought you were on of that before. uh, and this thing double click in here again and 3D, right? In 3D, and if you need adjust some display and the 3D visualization, you must use this zero box to set up and adjust some parameter. And this one, the state, right? The state is the command to set up and adjust some display, right? Display here, this setup แสดง it show up right. Okay, right now it's running, working in this station, and not running and not and okay, it stop running and running. Okay, show up right the says that right about something like this, and it show up on the machine. And instead you can adjust the type of the alarm light like over here. If you use this uniform, right, and scale to apply, okay, bigger bigger like this. Okay, if you need to show up horizontal right here, and show up right in the horizontal direction, and you can change, adjust, and you try to use some special parameter, right, and learning by doing, right, by yourself. And this port and the caption are already done. You have known, right, because this video I taught you already. And graphic, right, and it's just some graphic of this, right? I will show you later. And it's post if you need to uh, make it your graphic, your 3D model, and okay, can be moved can be moved, write the animation, and okay, write the mechanism movement in the product. You can set up by post and post details on method, and you need to code to coding in of in the some in the 3D, right? In the post, right? You set up the mechanism one by one, joint to joint, something like that, and set up is right. Can be movement. You must use the post, use the post tab. Okay, we'll teach you later.